How to fold and unfold the NordicTrack treadmill. So the first step is to simply turn off the treadmill before you begin lifting. You could easily lift back the running deck until it locks into storage position. So stand behind your treadmill, bend your knees and grip the rear of the deck like so, and then lift the deck slowly towards the console here and continue lifting until you hear the storage latch into place. Do not force the deck if it feels unusually heavy or won't latch. And then you can also check that the deck is locked. So before walking away, make sure it's locked into place. That way you know it's fully upright and wouldn't fall unprecedentedly. Alright guys, and after that you could also unfold the treadmill by heading back to the treadmill, the support deck, and then release the storage latch. So stand behind your treadmill, hold the running deck with both hands, release the storage latch using your foot or hand depending on your model. So this should be the storage latch here, and then allow the hydraulic assist if equipped to help lower the deck gently. So the hydraulics should help drop this without your manual input.